Just 15 minutes from downtown Miami, 15 minutes from Miami Beach and Biscayne Bay, we are tucked away between the thriving city of Miami and the idyllic Miami shores here in the little hamlet of El Portal. Welcome to 455 Northwest 88th Terrace. This home was completely remodeled in 2017, bringing you all the features that new home buyers are looking for. But on top of that, this is an entertainer's dream, as we've got an open layout with volume ceilings featuring this 105-inch projection TV, great for football games and having your friends over for a couple parties. Then we've got 32-inch porcelain tile floors that are just gleaming, bouncing the light off all the windows that we have here. Opens out to a beautiful lounge family room with our lushly landscaped backyard and patio area. And to top it off, we've got a gorgeous kitchen with these quartz waterfall countertops. All the appliances are stainless steel and high-end with Italian cabinetry, and we've even got a wine fridge. So what more would you want in your Miami entertaining home? As I said, we've got this oversized family room we're calling the lounge because it's so large. We've got over on this side, we've got this wall-mounted TV that's all outfitted for gaming, and you can watch movies and have a party over here. But then as you look over on this side, the room is so big, we've got this lounge area outfitted with 2 turntables for your DJ needs and wonderful seating, and all overlooking this incredible backyard that is completely private with lush tropical landscaping. This backyard comes complete with a patio and lounge area for all your outdoor entertaining needs, completely surrounded in privacy with this beautiful, lush, tropical landscaping. And it's just calling you to bring your friends over and have a great party out here and call this your new Miami home. And that right there concludes our property tour of this magnificent El Portal home. If you liked what you saw, please share it with your friends. I'm Joseph Mooradian with the Premier Group of eXp Realty. Hope you have a great day. Take care.